Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to add text messages to photos in Photoshop. So what I do for this is I'll usually text myself. If you have iMessage set up, you can see it says to Jonathan Bell. It's my email address for my iMessages. So I'll just text myself. So I'll write that out and I'll text it to myself and I'll get that message myself. So now what I'll do is screenshot it, and to make it easier for Photoshop, I will just crop it all the way as much as I can so I don't have to erase as much in Photoshop later. Okay, and then after I'm done with that, all I'm going to do is airdrop it to my Mac. Alright, so I have my image here, and I'll go to my downloads, get this out here. I'll open it up. Now, I could use the magic wand tool by hitting W and select the white, but it's gonna select all the white in here. So, I mean, well, I can mess around with all that, but anyway, if it does this, just hit Q, go to quick mask mode, go to your brush, and just brush the messages part. Brush everything in here so that it'll, well, I went out there, so that it'll select everything. Hit Q again. Now we'll have this selected. Now this is a smart object that you brought in, so you want to rasterize it to make it just a regular image. Then we'll hit delete and delete the white that's selected around it. And we'll deselect. Now as you can see, we'll have to clean up a little bit of this, so I'll just hit the eraser tool if this is on yours. But if you zoom in some, you'll realize that there's still a little bit of white left. So this is what I like to do to clean it up a lot. I will use a pen tool to make a selection around it so that it's really super crisp and clean. So I'm going to just make a quick selection around as close as I can to it for the sake of time. Now let me turn this off. Okay, and now that we have that, we'll right click and go to make selection 0, so it'll be a hard edge. You have the selection here, so we'll inverse the selection by hitting Shift Command I, and that way it'll delete everything outside of this. We'll click on our speech bubble image and hit delete, and we'll deselect, and that just made it a whole lot smoother and got rid of everything else. So now you can get rid of this shape if you want. Now we will put this wherever we want it to be. Now if you wanted to add the delivered and the received, we'll just go to text, and the font for Apple that uses that is Helvetica New. So we'll go to Helvetica, new, start typing. And we'll hit, I don't know, 1500. Oh, I don't think there's any. Whatever. I'm not going to worry about that right now. But anyway, so that's a font. Put that however you want. And the same, you could do the same thing with the red. And put that wherever you want to. And then that's pretty much how you add a text message to a photo.